What the duck? Are you trying to tell me something, Casper, Wyoming? Do you have a little bit of quirk in you as well? Oh my. Crikey, she's got me by the dingle-doo! That's right, everybody. Sanford's Grub and Pub quirky themed restaurant here with Daffy Duck greeting us out front and Bugs Bunny. And what's up, Doc? Look at this place. They got half cars sticking out of the side of the building. It's a restaurant that opens in about 35 minutes for lunch. Again, I'm a little early, but I couldn't resist the big, huge cartoons out front. On the side of the building, they have a few more abandoned cars, you know, just to enjoy. So I'll go give Jax his lunch, and then we'll go inside and check this place out. This place is awesome. Look at this place. It's crazy. And motorcycles everywhere. Oh man. Very cool theming in here. Guess what I ordered? Burger, bacon, Parmesan garlic fries. Oh, that was so good. Good food. Time to get back on the road, though. Got to get into a new state. Oh, when I asked about magnets, they don't sell magnets here. Thought that was kind of a bummer. Big place like this, yeah, sell some merchandise, some hats, something. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get into Montana, okay? Okay.
5 hours later.
Yeah, there is an actual method to my madness, guys. I drove about 400 and some miles to get here. Got a nice corner spot along the Yellowstone River here in Montana. Yeah, I just really wanted to get here. The weather is going to be kind of off and on. In fact, it's going to rain and thunder tomorrow, but that'll kind of keep people away. And then the next day, it'll be sunny and nice, and I'll have the best spot, the spot I've always wanted to get here at Itchkepi Park. So this is my view, and officially, how do you know we're back home in the Northwest? When the rainier beers start showing up in stores. So Salt Lake City, if you're coming up from the south, or Billings, Montana, if you're coming from the east here with the red tab. It's been a while, guys. Can I do it one-handed, left hand? Oh, I'm good. It's been a while. Remember, I skipped the Northwest last summer. I took you guys on the Lincoln Highway, and we spent last summer in Maine. So that's a tasty barley pop, actually. I had no problem getting Miranda level there. It was basically level, but I put the jacks down anyway just for the stabilization so it's not creaky, creak, and moving and stuff. Lots of open area here. This is one of the bigger campsites here at the Loop, and lots of little accesses down to the Yellowstone River there. I got me a fire pit here with some kindling already waiting there to go. A picnic table. And this stump, someone has left some wood. This park is actually kind of unique because up front there, they actually have a big community wood pile of scrap wood. You can bring it to your campsite. I have never camped in this first loop so close to the facilities there and where the wood's at and everything. So I'm looking forward to definitely doing some relaxing stuff. If you don't follow me on Patreon, the spot that I was at last in Wyoming, that neat little campground, we got hail the size of dimes or nickels. It was intensely loud there, and I shared some videos on Patreon. The panels are fine, the roof, there's nothing dented or ruined or anything, but that terrified me. There was some crazy weather there in Wyoming, but that spot was nice, and this spot's going to be even nicer. before the rain hits, I'm just coming outside. I do have the awning out because it's not going to be windy later, but they're saying 100% chance of rain here this afternoon, and I think that's why this place is so empty. It's nice though. I'm going to have a little campfire tonight after the rain has ended. I'm going to put the tiki torches up as well because there's going to be gnats. There just is. Looking back at 2019, just want to mention it has been crazy. It has not gone as I expected or had planned. Okay, and now here we are just 5 months into 2019, and okay, you know the whole 30-mile-a-day thing? Are you kidding me? Try 7,200 miles in just 2019 alone with Yoda and Miranda. Check out this crazy map tour. That's why you don't plan it, right? There's just no point, because life is an adventure. It's a crazy adventure. It's fun. I still love it. But yeah. There it is. The rain has started, and I am safe underneath the awning right now. I personally don't mind rain. I like the smell and sound of it. I just know that it can be tricky to try to film outdoors in the rain, and it can be a hassle. But camping in the rain, in a place like this that's kind of remote, heck yeah, I love it actually. Doesn't bother me at all. Well, I gave up on waiting for the rain to stop. It's not going to stop tonight. I got my tiki torches out, and I'm getting this fire going right now. I collected a bunch of firewood from the spot over there. It's crackling. It's still raining on me, but you know, like I said, doesn't bother me. The smoke and those citronelle candles, I'm not gonna get eaten alive out here. The rain could stop whenever it wanted to, though. Just saying. And it is just kind of a mixed match of wood, like stuff from a demolition inside their house to their backyard shrubbery to somebody's wood plank flooring that they didn't want to use. And so, oh, I totally forgot to say, I moved. So it dawned on me that why am I gonna park way over there in the rain when I'm not gonna use the water anyway? How about we just park right across the free wood pile, right? We still have water access over there, but like I said, it's still raining here, so she is going now. Yes! So, good thing I did not wait for the rain to pass because it never passed. As a matter of fact, each hour the weather kept adding rain and rain and rain. It's now 7 p.m. and it has not stopped raining once. In fact, I have burned through all of the wood that I brought over. I'm gonna wait till this goes out and then I'm done. The ranger came by. He was very friendly, not ranger, but the park manager, the city park here in Columbus. He came by. I asked him about all of the stuff over there, like that has nails in it and stuff. He said, yeah, you're allowed to burn anything you want. Anything over there you can burn. And then I told him, there's also a mattress back there. He's like, well, don't burn that. But they're a little laxed here, so I am burning a couple pallets just to get rid of it. The rest of it's good wood over there. I got the okay, though. Just wanted to let you know. Otherwise, no, it has not stopped raining all night. And the sun sets in about an hour, so the rest of my activities will be indoors. Yeah. But I basically spent all day outside today, and it's been really fun. It's been really nice. Even with the rain. Heck, I don't care. I'm used to it. Yeah. Although it'd be nice if it gave me a break. No? No. Yeah, but those are my jeans. That you're laying on. Those are mine. I was gonna let them dry, but with the heat. Oh. But I was gonna lay here and play a video game. Oh. I just sit on the ground. Holy cow, that thing puts off some heat! I'm burning alive just sitting next to it on low. Woo! I kind of gave up on my fire out there. I can still keep an eye on it. It's basically gone out. Well, no, it's not quite gone out, but I can keep an eye on it until it does go out. About 15-20 minutes, it'll definitely be done. Where is everybody? It's free camping, y'all! A little bit of rain scaring you off. For your viewing pleasure here, a little Netflix show for you, Love, Love, a Netflix original. But it's disturbed love. It's not happy Disney love. It's real life love. Yeah. Maybe that's why I like it. Watch some of that tonight. Love you, Jax. And you all have a good night. Jax and I will be back with you in a few days from Montana. Bye, guys.